My name is Abner D. Bartolom Perez, and today I am doing Unit 8, Standard 2, Target 1, the tactics and strategy of soccer. The goal of soccer is to score more than the other team, and there are about two teams, 20 people on each team, and six people per team on the field. And the positions, there are many positions on when you're on the field. There's the goalie, who protects the goal from the other team, preventing them from entering the ball in their goal, using many different kind of strategies that they have, which is throwing themselves on the other side, using their hands to block up if the ball flies up, or doing the same thing on the left, throwing themselves to the right, or using their legs. And once they capture the ball, they have to aim it to their team that are out the field. They either do this by rolling, by tossing, or by merely throwing the ball, or they're allowed to kick it. They have a certain area around them, which is a square or a rectangle, however you feel it is, a rectangle. And what that means is if a player enters that area, the goalie can go up to them and kick the ball away from them or grab it with their hands, since goalies are permitted to grab the ball with their hands. And they're the only ones that are permitted to grab the ball with their hands as long as if it is in their area. Now, the defense is to prevent the offense team from getting any closer to the ball, getting closer to the goal. Their objective is to protect the goalie or to take the ball away from the offense team. Taking the ball away from them by using different maneuvers, they always have to use their legs, in which there are many ways of removing the legs. And one way they do when an offense team kicks the ball too hard, they may use their heads to hit back the ball. But when this happens, they're not sure. They're not always 100% sure it will go the direction they want it to, which is why they have different maneuvers, such as hitting the ball right here, which pushes the ball to the right here, which pushes the ball to the left. But right here, you never know if it's going to go to the middle, because sometimes it goes forward or it bounces back and goes upwards. It could either go behind you, to the right of you. We're not really sure. But like I said, the goal of the defense is to protect the ball from the goalie or to remove the ball from the offense and give it to the offense player so they may score a goal. Now, the offense team, their strategy and their tactics are way more, how do I say this? They are way more active. One, because they must prevent the ball being captured by the other offense team or by the defense team. A lot of times you see there are offense team are usually next to the defense team on the other side of the field to make sure if one of the defense gets the ball, they kick it back. So the offense team that is on that certain side of the field, if they have the ball, they must make sure the ball doesn't get it. The ball isn't taken by the defense team to give it to the other team as well. So the tactics and strategies they use in the offense team is, like I said, using your legs, kicking the ball upward, hitting it with your knee, and then hitting forward with your head. This way, it goes straight forward, and since the defense team can't catch the ball with their hands, they either use their chest or they use their heads. And when that happens, the offense team must go next to the defense player and make sure they don't capture it first, grabbing the ball using different strategies with their legs as well, and kicking the ball into the goal. And those are the tactics and strategies of soccer.